Ready to transform your dull Tableau tables into vibrant, insightful masterpieces. First, drag the dimensions you want to display onto the rows and columns shelves. For example, we might drag region to rows and product category to columns. Next, drag the measure you want to analyze onto the text shelf within the marks card. This is the value that will populate your table. Let's use sales for this example. Now, here's where the magic happens. Drag the same measure you just used, sales in our case, from the measures pane onto the color shelf within the marks card. Tableau automatically applies a color gradient to your sales data. Click on the color shelf, then select added colors. Choose your desired color palette. You can select from predefined palettes or customize your own. Consider using diverging palettes to highlight positive and negative values, or sequential palettes to show a range of values. For discrete color bands, select step color and define the number of steps you want. This can help simplify the visualization and highlight specific thresholds. And there you have it. Your table is now visually enhanced with color-coded cells, drawing attention to key data points and revealing underlying patterns. Experiment with different color palettes and step sizes to find what works best for your data story. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Tableau tips.